Hello everyone. Today the topic is about generations of programming language. This programming language contains letters or characters. Every programming language contains syntax. Programming language is computer language that establishes the communication between user and machine. It contains computations performed by the computer. There are 5 generations of programming language named as first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Now let's talk about first generations of programming language. Machine language is the low level programming language. It understood by the computer. It is called a binary language. Data and comments also zeros and ones. It is machine dependent language. One instruction gives to a computer cannot executed to another computer. It advantages this executes very fastly and disadvantages are difficult to learn and error detection is difficult. Now let's talk about second generations of programming language. And second generation programming language named as assembly language also. Assembly language in the second generation language which is used certain codes to the certain instructions. These codes are known as OP codes. The statement in assembly language contains label operation code one or more operators. Assembly language programs converts into machine code by using assembler. Its advantages are error correction and detection is easy to modify, and disadvantages are machine dependent programs should have hardware knowledge. Now let's talk about third generations of programming language. High level languages are just like English type language follows certain rules and regulations called as syntax and semantics. These languages is discovered in 1960s-70. These are user friendly language. Example C, C++, COBOL, Java, etc. And these high level languages are constructed into machine code by using compiler, and its advantages are these are machine independent, easy to detect and correct the errors, and easy to write and understand. And disadvantages are they run slowly and code may not be optimized. Now let's talk about fourth generation programming language. Very very high language used in fourth generation, and these are non-producer language which specifies what is must be done rather than how to do. Example SQL. It means simple query language, and this takes requests and provide information from the database. And its advantages are easy to write and learn, and and instructions are written in English like language. Code is easy to maintain. Now let's talk about fifth generation programming language. Especially fifth generation programming language using present. It constructed constraint based and logic based language part of fifth generation language. These languages focus on problem solving using constraints and logic. Fifth generation languages are widely used in artificial intelligence makes computers things like human brains. And these languages contains visual